Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat leads to HubSpot. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your live chat account. And then in here, go to the left panel and click on apps. Wait for it. And once done, use the search bar and just look for HubSpot. Okay, you can go ahead and type down Hub and HubSpot will be available. So just click on it. And once done, click on Get. Wait for it to load, and as you can see here, it says application installed successfully. And in the left panel, under the app section, we now have HubSpot. Okay, as you can see here, it doesn't ask me to log in with my HubSpot account because, as you might have noticed, I'm already logged into my HubSpot account to the same browser as LiveChat in here. Okay, as you can see, it says where the app placement will be located. You can find this application in the customer details bar in chats and archives. You can go ahead over to chats right here. Okay, at the top right, we have HubSpot. Okay, click on connect. Right here, it will ask you to re-authenticate your HubSpot account. So just basically click on one of your accounts and click on choose account. All right, scroll all the way down, click on this checkbox and hit on connect app. Hit on continue. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Now, after connecting, you can automatically create a HubSpot contacts from chat sessions, and the integration allows you to view chat history and notes within HubSpot as well. Okay. Again, once connected, leads from live chat or live chat sessions will be sent or automatically sent to HubSpot right here. And the integration can make chat history available within HubSpot for better context on customer interactions. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.